Hello, I'm Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to look at the View Layout feature. The View Layout Editor is an intuitive interface for creating custom, dashboard-style arrangements of views for your application. You can add views through drag and drop, context menus, or cut and paste actions. Specify the percentage of the screen that is used for each view, and easily update the views in each panel. With View Layout, you can design modern, effective dashboards in minutes. Using Perspectives Designer, we have defined the schema, integrators, and views for our project. Now we're going to use the View Layout to define the arrangement of views. First, we're going to click this plus sign and choose to add the Network Map Drawing view. Now we're going to add a split panel, and we're going to drag our drawing view to the right side. And we're going to come over here and we'll add our tree view. We're going to drag the divider until the network tree takes up about 30%. Next, we're going to drag the network tree up to make room for another view. And in the panel that's appeared, we're going to add an inspector. Next, we are going to add a tab group. And in that group, we are going to put our table view. And we're going to drag this tab to the left so it appears first. Let's do a web preview. And here's our dashboard arrangement of views. With the previewer, you can see your application in action as you are building it. We're going to go back to the designer and do some more work on the view layout. We're going to drag the device table over here with our network map drawing view. And we're going to click the green check mark to get rid of the empty panel. Let's do the web preview again. And here is our updated arrangement of views. We're going to go back to the designer and do some more work on the view layout. We're going to make some more room for our network map drawing view. We'll drag the divider down. And we want the panels on the left side to match this as well, so we'll move this divider too. Now we're going to open the web preview. And there we can see the adjusted panels. Let's go back to the designer and do some more work on our view layout. We're going to switch the device inspector to the table view. We're going to come over here. We're going to copy our network map drawing view and then paste it into the panel where we had this table view. Let's do a web preview. And we see how we can have multiple drawing views in our application. View layout makes it easy to change your views and move them around. You can change a view to a different one, or you can copy and paste a view from one panel to another. We're going to go do a web preview and take a look at our application. Let's take a look around. Here's our tree view. And we see our elements in our graph. And in our drawing view, we can select an element and we'll see the details over here, the inspector. And our table view here. And you can see here how the views are synchronized. When you highlight a node in one view, it is highlighted in other views as well. While we're here, let's look at our different layouts. First, we'll do bundle layout, then circular layout, hierarchical layout, orthogonal layout, and symmetric. In today's video, we showed how to use the View Layout feature to create custom dashboard-style arrangements of views for an application. Be sure to watch the Generate Web Application Code video, which is linked below. In that video, we will continue working with this project and show how to quickly generate the folder structure and application files needed to build and deploy a web application. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.